blend, 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 and forget your sorrows. Blend, 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 and forget your sorrows. Jacka blend, Jacka blend, Jacka blend, Jacka blend, Ijo blend, Tijo tia. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, my name is Moesoon. I record videos on love, faith, beauty, whatever comes to mind at the moment. If you're not new and you've already subscribed, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate you. Let's get into today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a simple, budget-friendly Valentine's Day look. I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I can't talk doing my eyebrows because my eyebrows is like very funny. It takes me a while to get sometimes. And even when I do get it, I still struggle sometimes. So I'm just going to be on silent mode while I record my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Duo set. I've used their Brow Wiz when it first came out, and I really loved it. And once I finished it, I just didn't buy it because it was money. And then I used Drug's beauty supply store eyebrow pencil. But I was just hearing good things about the Anastasia brow powder duo, and I wanted to try it out. So I got mine in chocolate. And this is how it looks like. So I'm going to go in and fill in my brows. Do not make fun of me, okay? Thank you.
Oh yeah, da baby oh, my baby oh, na chronic in a kiribito oh. I never see this kind love before. It be like say you done shock my head, and girl I don't fall in love. Baby boo, what do you do? Girl I wanna get to know you. I put on Ginaya, you make me to Maya. This your love be like fire. You make me to higher. Sisi Doro, wine. I'm a little baby, oh baby. Fire. You make me to higher. Sisi Doro, wine. I'm a little baby, oh. She too fresh, she be the baby. She too fine, she be the baby. Body so fresh like it the baby. She not the down me, oh. She too fresh, she be the baby.
Brows, and now I'm just going to do my lids. I'm gonna keep them very simple.
Baby, this shall love be too divine. Make me want to press the rewind.
So now I'm gonna set it in with some setting powder, and like I said, I'm a girl in the budget. This Mercier, this tiny thing has lasted me a long time. So I'm using some Laura Mercier. Set that in. So I have this NYX that I received as a gift from some event I went to. So I'm going to use that. And I'm just going to take the black over here and just smoke out my crease a little bit, just to give it another dimension, you know. Another dimension.
I'm a little baby, oh. She too fresh, she be the baby. She too fine, she be the baby. Body so fresh like it the baby. She not the down me, oh. She too fresh, she be the baby.
Now I'm going to line it. Line it up. I'm using the Wet n Wild, no, Maybelline Master Precise Ink liner. And this is my cheat sheet because I'm not a perfect wing. So I do this. I'm going to put on these falsies that I got from Alii Express. So I'm just going to put some glue, let it get a little tacky, and then put some mascara on my eyes. You know what I'm saying? And this mascara is from Ulta Beauty. Yeah. I got a gift from Ulta because I bought some stuff, and it's legendary lengths. It's really dope. Sometimes I just use it alone, but We are creating a look. So I've already primed my face. I'm just gonna apply my foundation. My foundation from Kat Von D, and this 24-hour full coverage transfer resistant matte finish Lock-It foundation, and I am a color 76 deep.
She know they tell me, my girl, baby, give me love, oh, yeah, give me love.
That's well on my skin. See, we are matching. Neck and face are matching. What I also like to do from time to time is just go in with a sponge and just dab. It's totally not necessary, it's up to you, but I just like to do that. That's why I know that if there's like spots, it's blended well through. So that's done. I am looking like a babe. 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 So now I'm going to highlight. LA Girl and Toffee is going to help me highlight.
Front and back, oh, yeah. She too sad, makeup on fleek, oh, hair and nails on fleek, oh. She be my slay mama, wow. Yeah, I be the one for you. Yeah.
Blend, and forget your sorrows. Blend, and forget your sorrows. Jacka blend, Ijo blend, Tijo tia. I don't know what that was. Blend, and forget your sorrows. Blend, and forget your sorrows. Jacka blend, Ijo blend, tia. And then take it, dab off excess, and then just go right in. I do a light one just to set it in, not really bake, because I'm not a baker right now. So I just do a light, take the powder, dab off, the excess, and just set that in. So I press it in like so.
I'll be the guy for you. I'll be the guy for you. If you want to begin, I go give you to. I'll be the one for you. I'll be the guy for you. I'll be the guy for you.
Now I'm going to contour with my black Opal Suede Mocha stick. Great foundation, by the way. Just that whenever I go to the store, I don't see my color. So I'm just going to contour just a little. You see? Just a little bit. And then my forehead. Sometimes I do this. Sometimes, Sometimes. I really don't do that because to me it's just a waste. I'm going to sweat it. Why put all the effort? I've already used setting powder. Let the rest do the work. So take that same blender and blend it out.
If you want to begin, I go give you to. This your love be like fire. You make me to higher. CC Dodo,
and I set that in with my CoverGirl Queen bronzer in Ebony bronze. See? Years of usage.
Oh, baby, fire. You make me to higher. CC Dodo,
Okay. So, being that I'm not adding anything to my face again, so I'm just going to clear it up. Take my powder brush. I'm going to use my Terracotta from Guerlain or Guerlain. Tell you, yes, 10 years, I'm still using it. Just taking a little bit and dusting off.
I'm a little baby, oh, oh, oh. She too fresh, she be the baby. She too fine, she be the baby. Body so fresh like the baby. Yeah, she not the down me, oh. She too fresh, she be the baby. She too fine, she be.
It's time to put some blush. I'm gonna use this Terracotta again. Years that I've had this blush.
Body so fresh like the baby. Yeah, she not the down me, oh.
So I'm gonna highlight with Miss Lynn palette that I've had for a long time as well. What I usually do to highlight is I set my face in with my matte finish setting spray powder from NYX. So to set my face. So as it's drying, I just take my fan brush and then take this gold highlight color and highlight my cheekbones. Okay, honey. On top of, you see that? On top of the Guerlain, because the Guerlain blush already has a few highlights on it. So we highlight like that. Do you see that work? So it can all set to. I'm going to use two lips here. They're both NYX. I'm using the 511 Chaos lipstick from NYX. I love this lipstick. Fire. That's why it's called Chaos. And then I go over it with the Monte Carlo liquid matte. This is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you like more of these, please comment below and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel. Why don't you just take that leap of faith? I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
Da baby, oh. My baby, oh. Na chronic, na kiribito, oh. I never see